everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import wallet in Kukai Wallet in laptop. Kukai Wallet is a web-based non-custodial wallet built for the Tezos XTZ blockchain. It allows users to manage Tezos tokens, NFTs, and connect to Tezos apps directly from a web browser without installing any browser extension. Because Kukai is non-custodial, you fully own your wallet. Your private keys and recovery phrase are controlled only by you. Kukai cannot access or recover your funds. Importing a wallet in Kukai means restoring an existing Tezos wallet so you can access it again on a new laptop, new browser, or after clearing data. So how to import wallet in Kukai is you need to open any of your web browser, Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and after that on the top there's an address bar. Type down wallet.kukai.app and enter it. And on the Kukai welcome screen you need to look for the import wallet in the top just beside the create new wallet. Select for this import wallet. Over here Kukai Wallet supports multiple import either with the seed words or the fundraiser or the Keystore file. If you have, you can simply, I'm going to select the seed word here, type down the seed word that you have over here. You will see empty input fields. Carefully type down your 12 word or 24 word recovery phrase. Enter your words in the exact order. Use lowercase letters, and after that select import, and that is it. And you will successfully import wallet in Kukai Wallet in laptop. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.